and welcome to Step Up AT's device demonstration videos. Today, we will be featuring the GoTalk CONNECT from Attainment Company.
Brianna, would you like to play with the magnets?
Brianna.
Yes?
Yes.
Or no?
No. Yes.
The GoTalk CONNECT brings together all the features you love from the GoTalk line into one powerful, rechargeable, mid-tech AAC device. Its flexible, interchangeable grid system adapts to a wide range of communication needs.
Hell.
It includes thoughtful design elements such as a long-lasting battery, an integrated stand, a convenient overlay storage drawer, and built-in Bluetooth and USB connectivity. Key features include an interchangeable grid system with pre-made layouts for 1, 9, or 25 messages supporting communication at multiple levels. Clear, high-quality audio with the ability to use text-to-speech in addition to recorded messages, and flexible customization. Users can create personalized overlays by creating and editing overlays directly on the device or through the free GoTalk Design and Connect software using a Windows or Mac computer. Overlays and audios can then be transferred easily via Bluetooth or USB to download, backup, or share. Let's see the GoTalk CONNECT in action in the classroom.
Today, we're gonna look at the cover of this book and we're gonna make predictions. A prediction is a smart guess of what we think might happen in the story. We're gonna use the GoTalk CONNECT to help you tell me what you see.
The teacher is showing the GoTalk CONNECT 1 grid as a scene display to show the book cover for the student to make predictions as a pre-reading activity to Charlie and the Chocolate Factory.
Brandon, can you tell me the title of the story that we're gonna read?
Charlie and the Chocolate Factory.
Yes, today we'll be reading Charlie and the Chocolate Factory.
Charlie and the Chocolate Factory.
The teacher points to the hotspot of the book title on the GoTalk CONNECT scene display and points or models for the student to press it.
Now, let's look closer at the cover. I see bright colors and a boy holding something. What is he holding on his hand?
A golden ticket.
A golden ticket!
The teacher gestures or points for the student to press the hotspot of golden ticket on the GoTalk CONNECT scene display, and she points or models for the student to press it.
I wonder what the golden ticket is all about. What about the man? What does he look like? A police officer, a teacher, or a magician?
A magician.
A magician! Do you think the story is about a magician and a boy who has a golden ticket? Yes. That's a great prediction. The characters in the cover gives us clues of what may happen in the story. Now that we made our predictions, let's start reading and see if you guys were right.
Using the GoTalk CONNECT 1 grid as a visual scene display that shows the picture of a book cover is an effective teaching strategy that supports a student's comprehension and active participation in the literacy activity by providing concrete, meaningful context while offering students with limited or no verbal speech the opportunity to communicate. But the versatility of the GoTalk CONNECT goes even further. It supports ongoing growth, giving students more opportunities to build their communication skills over time.
Let's read a book. Here are some options. Which one would you like to read?
For example, the teacher can use the GoTalk CONNECT with a 4-grid layout with different book options to offer the student choices about the book they will read in class.
Charlie and the Chocolate Factory.
Oh, you want to read Charlie and the Chocolate Factory? Let's look for it. Oh, here it is.
Here's another activity. The teacher is now showing the GoTalk CONNECT with the 9 grid.
Today, we're going to talk about the characters in Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. You're going to use the GoTalk CONNECT to answer questions. Remember, you can choose any of the 9 buttons to help you answer.
This time, she programs the device to expand and support an emerging communicator to answer comprehension questions about the characters in the story.
Are we going to read Charlie and the Chocolate Factory today? Yes.
Yes. Yes.
The teacher first models on the device, a strategy referred to as aided language stimulation.
For example, if I ask you, who has a hat? We would choose
Willy Wonka.
Willy Wonka has a hat.
Willy Wonka.
Willy Wonka.
The students select the appropriate button to share their answer.
Never, answered Charlie. Who do you think is the main character in the story?
Oompa Loompa.
Are we sure it's an Oompa Loompa? Let's remember the title of the story. What's the title of the story? Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. So who do you think is the main character in the story?
Charlie.
Charlie, yes. Charlie is the main character of the story. You were right. What do you think Charlie's trying to get, Brandon?
I don't know.
You don't know? That's okay. Let's see if Sarah knows. Sarah, what is Charlie trying to get?
Golden ticket.
A golden ticket, yes. Okay, now let's keep reading.
Ultimately, the GoTalk CONNECT offers up to a 25-message grid, providing students with a wide range of overlay options for core vocabulary, classroom participation, and opportunities to expand their language and build sentences.
Turn.
This combination of versatility, durability, and user-friendly features makes the GoTalk CONNECT a powerful tool for personalized communication. It bridges comprehension, communication, and engagement,
Open.
giving every student a voice in the activity. For more information on using augmentative and alternative communication tools and strategies, click the links below and check out our other videos highlighting AAC at school and at home. Thank you for watching.